गोंय शिपयार्डान भारतीय तटरक्षक दळा खातीर तयार केल्ल्या जहाजाचें उक्तावण बेरेस्ताराक केंद्रीय आयुश तशेंच संरक्षण मंत्री श्रीपाद नायकाच्या हस्तुकीं जालें. गोंय शिपयार्डान भारतीय तटरक्षक दळा खातीर तयार केल्लें तिसरें जहाज तटरक्षक दळाक बेरेस्तारा दिलां. केंद्र सरकाराच्या मेक इन इंडिया येवजणेन गोंय शिपयार्डान बरें काम केल्ल्या बद्दल आयुश मंत्री श्रीपाद नायकान तांची तोखणाय केल्या.
As the third vessel of this prestigious indigenous project for 5 offshore patrol vessels for Indian Coast Guard is being launched today. I have been told that this project is one of the repeat shipbuilding order being executed by the Goa Shipyard Limited and is a validation of the confidence reposed by the Coast Guard in the indigenous shipbuilding. It is indeed a matter of pride and honor for me and my wife to be present here for the launching of this vessel. I am confident that this launching will set the new tune for accelerated construction and timely delivery of the ship to the Indian Coast Guard. With increasing maritime threat perceptions, induction of this sophisticated offshore patrol vessel will add power and might be the Indian Coast Guard and provide better peace dividend to this nation. These vessels are intended to protecting our maritime boundaries from intruders and also for rescue operation during the maritime emergencies. I am informed that the 6 OPVs built here at Goa Shipyard Limited under an earlier project are presently operational with the Indian Coast Guard. Each of these 6 OPVs were delivered ahead of schedule and have reported excellent operational performance vis-a-vis design specifications. This launching ceremony marked at another milestone in our journey towards the self-reliance, indigenization and make in India. It is indeed a matter of pride that Goa Shipyard Limited is amongst the very few shipyards who have mastered the intricate art of warship building and have played a major role in complex designs of sophisticated ships for the Indian Armed Forces.
This vessel is designed to perform multifarious roles of the Indian Coast Guard at extended ranges from the coastline. The ship incorporates a high degree of automation and is also capable of embarking and operating advanced light helicopters which are under production with Mrs. Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, Bengaluru. It is extremely heartening to witness a fine product of indigenous industry realized through years of hard work, perseverance and diligence. It marks yet another milestone for Goa Shipyard Limited. I would like to convey my well-merited appreciation to the Chairman and Managing Director, Goa Shipyard Limited, as well as the Coast Guard Refit and Production Superintendent, Goa, and their team who are involved in this project and brought the vessel to this stage of launching.